Hello dear customers, welcome to Rocket Flasher. In this video, I will show you a site that you can currently use for swap. Our Flash USDT work on all websites. You do not need to pay any extra fees. First, you need to get your license from our website and approve it in our bot. Now we log into any swap site and select the TRC20 network. Then we need to select the coin we want. Here I choose the Solana one because it is faster and more stable. As you can see, the wallet is empty and there is no transaction. Now we copy the wallet and enter it into our bot to make a transaction. After selecting the Send Us option, you can send your entire package immediately if you want. Or if you want to swap slowly, you can select the first option. We are sending 50 Flash USDT for a test. Since our system sends instantly, TronScan is reflected instantly, so you won't have any problems with network view. It appeared in the transfer section. Now we just have to wait for it to be approved. It usually takes 1 minute. It instantly saw the Flash USDT and approved it. Now it just needs to get network approval. Now let's check the TronScan again. As you can see, it has received approval. Now we just have to wait for it to send us our swap coin. It shows as sending. Now let's see if the SolScan site has really arrived. The transfer is provided without any problems. You can swap the amount you want in just 1 minute. The Flash USDT we provide receives network approval and works without any problems. Now I will wait a little bit to show that the site has approved it. As you can see, it swapped without any problems. Our TronScan transaction is still not deleted. In SolScan you can see our Solana coin is here. We are here to give you the best service. You can buy a package and start using it immediately.
Hello dear customers. Welcome to Rocket Flasher. In this video, I will show you how you can swap your Flash USDT in seconds using our system. After purchasing the license on our website, you can start the process. I choose the Solana coin for faster processing on our swap site. You can choose differently, it's irrelevant. Next, we copy the USDT address provided and enter the amount we want to send. Remember, the system only works on TRC20. Now let's copy the address and start the process. After sending the command to our bot, we will just wait for it to be reflected on the TRC20 network. You can check this on sites like TronScan. As you can see, we're operating on a real network. Yes, it has been reflected on the network. Now we just need to wait for it to be approved. We have received approval from the site. Now we are just waiting for the approval of the TRC20 network. You can see that it has been approved via TronScan. Our transaction has been completed without any problems. Now we just need to wait for the site to send us our Solana coin. We received our approval through the website. Now let's see if our money has arrived. You can see our money here now. We can use it if we want. This way, it will be more convenient for you to buy anything you want. You can easily see that you can use Phantom Wallet. Don't forget to visit our website and Telegram address for more information.